cool. Got it.
So if we're at 0, we want to add 4 bags of salt. Salt reading 500, 4 bags of salt, because I'm just giving you an average, because it's going to take it slightly over 4,000. That's okay. So with whatever your reading is through the salt reader, this is how many bags of salt to add.
Good one.
And if we're over 4,000, well, we don't need to add salt. We'll just wait for some more dilution to get it sorted. So because your pool is reasonably small at 25,000 litres, it might, because the bags are 25 kilogram bags, and it might be that you need, say, 17 kilograms of salt, but my software rounds it up to the next bag. That's why it's saying at 1,000, 3 bags, at 1,500, 3 bags, because my software's just rounding up to the nearest bag.
Sure. So if we overcooked it, we just have to wait for the dilution?
And so it might be that when we're doing this, it might be taken up to, say, like 4,300 or 4,400.
Yep.
And that's okay.
Yep. Okay.
That's okay.
Yep.
So really we've got test strips there that are going to be able to... the reason why I've got a little gap here is because the most regular thing to be checking is chlorine pH alkalinity. And then stabiliser and calcium hardness are like your salt. Like really, they shouldn't be that often.
Right. Okay.
It's going to be a dilution thing that's going to change them once they're okay.
Yep.
So really need a test strips that can test these through. In my pool thing, like I used 2 different types of readers, like one that can read these and one that can read these. And like at Bunnings, you can buy test strips, 50 test strips, I think, that can read these.
Okay, that'll be the go.
And they're something like $18 for 50 strips.
Yep.
With what can read these, it's $44 for 100 strips, so it's more expensive.
Yep.
But you don't need to be testing them as often.
Yep.
So I use the more expensive strips just sometimes, and use the others for the more regular.
Okay. So
I can show you on the Bunnings site what to use for both of these.
Okay, sure. I'll